Guys, welcome back to Daily Extraction 2020, and today we're going to be melting solder and pouring it into water, and it's going to like pop. Alright, this is what it looks like. Alright, now we're going to be dumping it in.
Hold on, gotta get safety glasses.
Yep, always safety first. Oh wow, that's so cool. Keep going, keep going. Is there any more? Oh wow, that's so cool. Look at that. That's cool. Alright, now we're going to be grabbing it.
We waited a while for it to cool down.
Waited like a couple of minutes because it is pretty hot. Looks like a bunch of drips. See? Looks like a bunch of raindrops. This is so cool, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Bunch of blobs. Wow, that's so cool. It's like a bunch of silver. Alright guys, this is so cool. Let's retry that. We gotta heat this up so it keeps on flowing. Safety first. Guys, gotta get our gloves on and our safety glasses on. Alright guys, now he's melting it. Alright, now we're gonna be dumping it soon. Alright, now we're gonna be dumping it. Heat it up. Hurry up and pour it. Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, it's just not like this.